Hello, Champion George Duarte here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. Today is September 30th, 2019, the last day of September. As you can see, we're going to be doing some grilled chicken breasts. Now that's a tricky thing when you take, and this is skinless chicken breast. So come on over here, Aaron. So what we have is some skinless chicken breast that we season with George's all-purpose rub. Now we're going to take this and put this over here on the, we're going to put this on some direct heat for just a minute, just to kind of get a little something on it. You hear that? And a key too is just to add just a little bit, put a little oil on this, because it's not a lot of fat, just a little. We sprinkle a little oil on that. So now what we're doing is we're going to let that go for about maybe 2 minutes, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it a quarter turn, and you're gonna see the grill marks on this bad boy. Come on, get in there tight so you can see that. See that way down in there? So what I did was we seasoned the chicken breast with some of George's all-purpose rub. We added just a little bit of olive oil just to give it a little, and massage that in to the chicken. And as you can hear, we're on direct heat right now. We keep it on direct heat for a couple of minutes here, and then we're gonna turn it. We're gonna quarter turn these pieces of meat. We're gonna quarter turn, like turn just like that a little bit, and then we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. So now I'm going to go ahead and take, not quite, a little while longer. I'm going to turn it up a little bit, turn this up a little bit, turn the heat up, and you can hear the sizzling, right? You can hear that sizzling. So like I said, once again, we took the chicken breast and seasoned it with George's all-purpose rub. We added just a little bit of some olive oil and just massaged it into the meat. And as you can see, that's what we got going on. We turned the heat up a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more of a quick flash of cooking. It's not really hot, real hot. See, when it's real hot, go a quarter turn like that. Quarter turn like that. You take another quarter turn like that. We're going to keep that on there nice like that for about another minute or so, and then we're going to flip her over, because when you have it going this way, when you have the meat across this way, and then you take it from this position and you take it and turn it a little bit, these grill marks here end up being like those typical grill marks you see when you cook meat protein. However, this meat ain't that. This grill, I didn't make sure the grill was hot enough, and that's why we're not getting them lines like we should. Because you want that to have that nice hot grillness. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to go ahead and turn that over in a second here. And after I turn it over, we'll let that bad boy go for a little while, and then we'll hook it up. Yeah. Okay, now we just turned over the chicken breasts, and we had that on for about a minute or so, almost a couple of minutes, and we kind of turned it. But I made the mistake. It's not your guys' fault. It's my fault. I made the mistake of not making sure the grill was hot enough to kind of sear the chicken, because with chicken breast or meat with no skin, it tends to dry out, and that's what you don't want. You don't want it to dry out. As you can see, it's got the little something there. See, there's a line, so I'm going to cross that. There's a little bit of some grill marks, so I'll turn that like that. See the grill marks? So then I'll turn it like that. We'll leave that like that for a little while. Short time. We got to keep an eye on it, because you don't want it to burn, and you don't want it to cook too much, because you'll end up messing around and cut and drying out this meat. So what I'm doing now is I'm just keeping an eye on it right now, and then I'm going to turn it. I'm going to take it and put it on indirect heat over here, and just let it rest, for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll take it off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this over, and you can see that. Oh, you really can't see them. There they go. That's the grill marks I was talking about. We wanted to see. They're a little faint, but you get what I'm saying, where you see the grill marks going across this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to let that rest over on that side. On that side, look at it. Show it right there. We want to let that rest for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll let you see what it looks like in about 5 minutes, and we should have it plated up and ready to go. As you can see right here, we went about 10 minutes, and we flipped it, and now we're ready to take her off, and we're gonna put her on. Big piece, come on over here. We're gonna put that over there like that. We're going to take these other pieces off. We're going to put these over there too, like that. We're going to take these pieces right there, take them off like that. And now we're going to go ahead and throw a little parsley. A little parsley on top. A little parsley on there. And there you have it, y'all. That's it. That's the chicken breast. The chicken breast. You see the chicken breast? Get down on there, man. Let them see that chicken breast. No, man. Go on down in there. Go down in there. Let them see the chicken breast there. Y'all see that chicken breast? Let me get out and get in the light here. See that chicken breast right there? All nice, and it's got some nice crunchy edges on it, some grill marks on it. But more importantly, it's cooked and it's juicy. This is juicy. I don't know if you can see, it's hot still, but you can see that. Look down and you just hold the camera, man. I'm gonna fire you. Just hold the camera. Just hold the camera. See the juice right there? Y'all see that juice? Ooh, that's hot. That juice right there means it's hot. I mean, that juice means it's juicy. All right, good. All right, guys. So with that said, that's our cooking show for today, September 30th, 2019. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel below this video, and make sure you get tied into our daily database, which is www.sauceforme.com. Put your name and email in, you'll get 7 free recipes. We want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share the video, make sure you like the video. Do us a huge favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel below this video as well. So with that said, I'm George Duhar from Georgie's Live Cooking Show. You guys are awesome. Until tomorrow, can you believe it? It'll be October 1st. God bless, guys. You're awesome. Fired up.